I have a Frigidaire refrigerator and it has a code 5YF. I replaced the fan and the board already and it's still there. Any ideas? That's the model number.
Hello, my name is code stands for the evaporator fan motor is shorted out in the freezer. It would have to be replaced. Here is the part number for you ###. If you'd like assistance once you have the motor, just let me know.
Hey, I replaced both the motor and the main control board. And it's still same issue.
Okay, would you like to check with a multimeter to see if the fan is getting power from the control board? We can check to see if there is continuity in the circuit as well.
No, it's not getting any power.
Do you know if there is board from the control board to the fan motor?
That's what I'm trying to understand. I replaced the PCB in the bottom of the fridge.
You would have to find the J8 plug and test the pins on the board. Do you have a multimeter tester? You should get a reading of approximately 12 volts DC.
What's a J8?
When you look at the control board, the little number on the board tell you next to each connection. I cannot get a clear enough pic, I could point it out. I am sorry.
The problem comes and goes. I replaced the fan at work for a week and started again. Sometimes it's working, sometimes not. Replace the board, same issue remained.
Do you know of any condition that may make it work when it starts running? Like a vibrate or someone bumped the refrigerator, anything at all? This fan runs when the thermistor tests it to run as well. Do you still have the code after replacing the board?
Which thermistor? There is something very strange going on with the fridge. Yesterday, after I replaced the board, it took more than 15 minutes to turn on the compressor and 15 minutes after the shows again.
There is a little grill cap, and the thermistor is inside of that. Would you like the service manual for your refrigerator? I can send it by email only, and it does cost $5. I will send a link, you can accept it if you want it, okay?
Found the diagram already. Can this thermistor may cause all this?
Okay, I was not talking about the diagram but the full service manual. The thermistor tells the fan when it is warm and to run. It would not cause the error code. A bad circuit to the fan is the problem. It could be a broken wire in the cabinet wall or a bad connection.
If it has a broken wire, I have no way to fix it?
I'm sorry, but there is no way to fix it because the wires are foamed into the cabinet with the insulation.
Okay, so all my options are fan, board, thermistor, and wires?
Yes, that fan is operated from the main control board. The J8 plug. The control board senses the thermistor, and if it is getting warm, it turns the fan motor on. I would also check to make sure the terminals did not come out of the plastic plug. That way, when you push it on, it might be pushed the terminal out of the plug and not connecting.
Any chance it can be the fan on the back?
No, I am afraid not, as the error code you listed is for just the freezer fan motor.
Can it somehow make the compressor not to turn on?
No, the temper control operates that by the fresh food thermistor. The service manual explains all this in detail.
It's something with the board, I think.
Did you look the board up by the model number? Maybe you got the wrong board. The part number from your model is #///P.
Know that the exact one.
You could have gotten a bad board. The easiest wasy to find out a check for continuity in the J8 plug fan circuit.
Okay, thank you. I need to check if it's 12 DC on the plug.
Yes, that is correct. I was talking about ohming out the circuit. Unplug J8 and test the wires in the plug for continuity in the circuit. The power test can be done on the J8 pins on the board.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.